the Lian
5 mesh.
Yeah, that.
I'm excited.
Open it.
Here we go. Nice.
Ooh. They got it nice packed. Yeah. I've never seen a case with the wrapping like this.
This case looks pretty good.
Well, I haven't built a computer in forever, so. Go that way.
I haven't built a computer for years. Well, no, I built my computer when I got the new motherboard and stuff.
But it's been a while.
It was like last year.
Yeah.
Year before last year. There we go. Wow.
That looks nice.
It's actually a really nice looking freaking case, dude.
Looks a little dark.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
It's a dark case.
It looks dark, right?
Yeah, it does look dark.
Ooh.
Oh.
What that is cool.
That's nice, dude. I wish mine had that.
Wow. That is nice.
That's two 120s or a single 140.
Yeah. Wow.
Damn. It's a really clean case.
I wish I had this for myself.
Dang, yeah. Okay. I like the mesh in the front too. At an angle, it's like just black, but then when you get on, you can see it, and when it turns on, it's gonna look so clean.
So that's the case.
So hold on, let's lift it up. So
What is it? 12,100 F. So it has non-integrated graphics. It's slightly cheaper, since we're gonna be using a GPU. This is what would make sense. I think the normal one is like 20 more bucks or something like that.
yeah,
So I don't know.
but we don't need the, like you said, the integrated graphics. We do have a graphics card here to put in, so it's not really a worry.
There we go.
Go. Fall out there.
CPU.
There we go.
Right there. I hope it's in focused.
It's a little dark, but
Yeah.
there we go. And because it is an i3, it's not going to run super hot. It's not something we have to worry about too much. And so, in this case, because it won't be overclocked anyways, stock cooler is just fine. It'll do the job.
It looks cool too, with the little blue ring.
Yeah. Pretty cool accent.
So we need to leave this in there for now.
Yeah.
And then motherboard. We got the Asus Prime H610 plus D4. So I guess it's that's for like DDR4, I guess. I'm not sure.
Yeah, maybe.
And then
I just know H series it's basic,
model.
but it's gonna be good.
In this case, no overclocking, but really don't need overclocking in such a small system. If you want to, you will have to buy the motherboard, but with the base clock speed of the i3, it's pretty quick already. Hope it's in focus. Yep, there you go. And the I/O plate. I guess this is for the M.2. Looks cool. And then maybe M.2 screws. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if it looks like a stand. Does this have a single center point? It's just one. That makes sense. If it's just one in the corner.
So you just slap it in and this locks it.
It's the other way.
Yeah, it's outside.
Yeah.
There you go.
This side is one. Are you sure this side is?
Yeah.
No. Oh, there we go.
And you click in. There you go.
See, mine both sides swivel, so just... There we go. Got the RAM in. She looking clean.
Ta-da!
Boom, boom. Grab this crap out the way.
Now we can install the M.2
Oh, yeah.
since it's right here. Might as well.
We got our M.2 here. 512 gig M.2.
Now you gotta figure out how to open it.
Yeah, what's got the perforated stuff here? Well, that works.
Yeah, what's up, bro? What's up? Bottom left. Dog, what? There's no marking.
There.
Oh, right here.
You see the marking?
Yeah.
Oh, a little notch. I see.
Looks good.
Yeah, looks good. Clamp her down.
This is this is scary.
There we go.
Look at that.
She's on there, clean.
Get rid of this stuff.
Get rid of all this trash over here.
I wonder what this is.
It's a bracket for something.
I don't see where it would go. That was the motherboard one, right?
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, there's SATA cables too.
Oh, nice.
So if you guys want to add hard drive, we'll leave that in there.
Yeah, fuck it, we'll keep it together.
Yeah, we can't throw away any boxes, so when people buy it, give them.
Yeah, because this stuff should have warranty on it.
Yeah. These are all new except for the GPU.
Yeah. And then we can lift this up because we plug more in there.
Yeah.
There we go, boppity boopity. There's motherboard, CPU, RAM.
Yep.
All one package. Dang, that's satisfying.
That
Not
looks
gonna
good.
lie.
That kind of looks good, actually.
It looks nice, dude.
I wish I had a
Dude.
mini ITX.
I wish I had a mini ITX PC,
That
dude.
looks clean.
We need next build. Next build. Tiny form factor.
Yeah.
We have to.
With good cooling.
Yes, good cooling.
Because most
Probably like
mini ones-
120 rad.
Yeah.
Small graphics card. 1660 Ti. Those things are tiny, but they're powerful. That's what I have, right?
Now we're gonna do 3060.
3060, but they're fat though. Would you be able to fit one in a small plate?
It's
small
possible.
form factor? I mean, it's possible, but
We'll make it work.
we could. We could always do
We get
one
the
of the
smaller version of this.
one of the strips that plugs into the PCIe and it has the ribbon cable out, so you can plug it in and relocate.
Just
Yeah, we could
Flip it
turn
up.
it. Yeah.
that'd be clean.
Next build.
That'd be clean.
Next
with
build.
Hello
That'd be
RGB.
cool. Dude, yes, hella RGB this time.
RGB puke.
That would be crazy. Make it whatever color you want, dude. Just out the top, the sides, everywhere.
There.
It's gonna be a glowing box.
What's next?
Next, IO
Power
shield.
supplied. Oh yeah, IO shield.
Oh yeah, IO shield, power supply, fans, within motherboard.
Yeah.
So, let me move this for now. Let me get this out of the way so we don't mess with it.
It's this way, right?
PS2's up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
There you go.
There we go.
Cool. Nice.
That's it.
Next we got power supply. So what we got so far, we've got the i5 12100F with a 512 gig M.2 SSD. We have 16 gigs of DDR4 3200. So far, just the stock cooler on here. At this point with the i3, really don't need a whole lot of cooling options. It's pretty basic. It's not going to run too hot, not overclocked. So we really don't have to worry about too much heat. We're throwing this inside of the, what is this? This is the Lian, what was it?
Lian 250M.
Yeah, Lian 250M. It's pretty clean, not gonna lie. So far, we've kind of gutted it here. About to throw in the power supply. It's a little hard to see here, but down here there's a whole section. It's open. It's got some drive cage here. Big open area for the power supply. Lots of cable management options, that's for sure. It's got the grommets here. Really nice. See here, the actual building space. It's quite a lot, I'm not gonna lie. Especially for the small motherboard that we're gonna be putting in. There's not a whole lot of room issues that we're gonna have to worry about. 2 fans up front. We have 1 fan for the back here we're gonna put in. Get an exhaust fan going. Well, that's what we got so far. We're gonna keep on building, and we'll see how this goes. I always gotta fuck with the tape.
Shit, took the tape off before.
Probably should have, yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is cool. Don't know what that is for. Oh, it probably mounts to the side. Huh. You got the screws. And then bubble wrapped. Let's see. It's not popping.
Dang, dude, no popping.
Oh,
What a shame.
yeah. These look cool.
Oh yeah, it's pretty nice.
Whatever that is. Oh, plastic. So what we want to do is exit air. So we do it like that, right?
Yep.
So we're gonna.
Yeah, well, like this. Yeah, that's gonna pull it out that
So
way.
we.
Oh, is that the plug for it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's the one that you have. Or one, something like that. So it goes up like that. Dude. I don't know what I'm doing.
It's got a clip in.
Wow. Satisfactory. And we're gonna wanna do that. Pull it through one of these holes. It's different.
Yeah, maybe that's the play now. The play is to have a single 160 in the back.
We should have got a 140. It looks really weird.
No, I think it looks fine.
Yeah, it looks okay, but
Yeah. I mean, it fits,
like
but-
if you're staring at this, you're like, huh?
There's a
Look at the
little
gap.
gap. It is a little gap, but I don't think it's gonna bother anyone, especially once it's going. You
And
know?
this is where we put the fans. That's for RGB, I guess,
We got that.
and then normal PMW fan, peanut header plug thing. And then this is it has USB 3, headphone jack, microphone jack, 2 USB 3s, and what else can you ask for? In such a small build, there's a smudge right there.
That's alright. It's just a little one. We'll clean up the case real nice before we.
You got some greasy ass hands.
Yeah, nice. Let's
throw the power supply in so we can, figure out where we're going to put everything.
throw the power supply in, run the cables, and then once we run the cables, we'll throw everything in, see how it goes.
We'll be right back.
Ooh.
Looks good for a budget one. Wow. This is actually nice.
Pull this off.
ASMR.
Ooh, oh, will it pop? Oh,
it popped.
oh, little baby pops. There we go. Oof, okay, okay.
Dude, this looks good for a cheap one.
Nice. Yeah, this isn't bad. It's
Well, it wasn't
semi-modular.
cheap, and it has 80 plus bronze, so it won't be too bad
Yeah, no, I mean, the
compared
efficiency will
to
be fine.
like a very cheap one.
Yeah, at least it's not like just 80 plus. I mean, it's vented a lot too. First thing I noticed, lots of vents. There's gonna be a lot of airflow in here. I noticed though, solid on the bottom.
Normally they're not too solid.
No, normally they have a fan that pulls air in, which means this one is most likely fan right here. We're gonna want to mount it this way.
All right, let's get to do it.
There we go. Ooh.
That's crazy.
Oh. Comes a little case for the cables.
That is cool.
That's nice. Yeah, whatever you don't need, just throw in there.
That is so cool.
That's hella
I've
convenient.
never seen
actually.
that before.
No, neither have I.
Well, I only built like 5 computers. And it's
Oh,
been like
there we go.
2 years.
Dude, mine was more expensive than this, and it didn't come with all
More
this.
cable ties.
Screws, cable ties, power cable.
Ooh. Let's put it in. 3, 2, 1. We did that because the fan is right there. We don't want the fan facing up. But, yeah.
Yep. Fan is on the bottom side here, so it's gonna pull air from underneath where it has slots. It's like mesh on the bottom here, so it's gonna suck air up in, rather than flipping it where the words would look right, but the fan would be towards the metal shroud, and that would just hurt your cooling more than anything. So we'd rather look upside down than have heating problems. There we go. Poles line up.
Yep.
Nice.
Except for... Yep. Everything's in. Alright, we're done.
Heck yeah, dude. This is it. That's a wrap. GG.
It's done.
Fade to black. We're gonna hook everything up. we're gonna cable manage because it looks like it's gonna be a little rough in here with some gappage we got going on. But yeah, let's plug everything up. We'll cable manage and then we'll show what it looks like after. Once we got everything nice and polished.
What do we got?
We got this 2060 here, ready to throw this in there. Ooh.
Look at that. It doesn't look too bad for a cheap GPU or a budget GPU.
No, it's not bad at all, to be honest. I'd be happy with it. It's definitely not as big as I thought it would be, that's for sure.
Yeah.
So it's a bonus.
It's not like the 3060 Ti.
Yeah, because I expected it to be a huge card.
You need to
Oh.
take this off.
Where's this screwdriver? Oh, let me just go for that. Ooh. Yeah, hold on, let's see. Yeah, there's no way to tuck it. Just have to put it in zip tie. There we go. And we can zip tie those together right there.
Boom.
Not bad. Alright, Chris, where are we at?
So, what we got so far, we got a fan splitter, and it's enough to fit 2 more fans if you want.
Let me get up in here so they can see it real nice.
And then we got to wire manage it for a little,
Got a little fan header there. plug everything in, make sure everything's nice and...
Dude, this is like a cluster wire, spaghetti wire.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of spaghetti wire, but when it gets done, you know it's gonna be beautiful.
Yeah. That right there. Right there. Boom. Fans are plugged in. We're basically 90% done.
Yeah, I mean, this is honestly...
We just gotta
like,
clean it up now.
Yeah, last couple things is just wire it up nice, make it look pretty. And then once it looks pretty, we slap the upper case back on, slap the glass side panel on, fire her up, make sure she's running.
Yep. Alright, let's get it.
Let's get it. Alright, where we at, Chris?
Alright, so we got everything together. Power's plugged in. Let's see if it boots up.
We're ready. Let's go. It's going.
Where the lights at though?
Where is the RGB?
Does it need to secondary power?
Does it?
Bro, what?
It looks good to me. I mean, it's running. Oh.
There. Look.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh shit. We got
Boot.
boot.
But where are the lights?
Yeah, where's the RGB though?
Oh man. Does it need secondary power?
Oh. Okay, hold on. We'll get that working. But on the right side.